Hi everyone. Week 2 Wednesday lesson, angles in standard position, converting between degrees and radians, and finding arc length. Angle measures. So you always start from positive x-axis. You measure the angle counterclockwise. So for example, let's say this is 120 degree, then you will start from here, 0 degree. If you go counterclockwise all the way up to here, it should be 90 degree. If you keep going 90 more, that should be 180 degree. If you keep going more, that should be 270 degree, all the way up to here. If you go all around once, that will make a 360 degree. So if we say plot 120 degree, you start from here all the way up to 90 degree. 120 degree, you have to go past 90 degree, but it's not gonna be quite 180 degrees. So 120 degree will pass 90 degree, so it'll be somewhere over here, and you might say 120 degree. How much degree further do we pass after 90 degree? It will be 30 degree here. So it will be 30 degree here. Since it's 90 degree, that will make a 60 degree here. That from here to all the way up to here, we call that as 120 degree. From here to all the way up to here counterclockwise. That's how we ended up with 120 degree here. That will be 60 degree. If we ask you to plot minus 145 degree, negative angle, so positive angle, you go counterclockwise. Negative angle, you go clockwise. Start from positive x-axis. Clockwise, minus 145 degree. So if you think about that, we can do 0 degree here. Clockwise, that should be minus 90 degree. Clockwise, that should be minus 180 degree. That should be minus 270 degree. If you go all around here, that will also make minus 360 degree. So if we ask you plot minus 145 degree, starting from here, you will go clockwise, minus 90 degree here, minus 145 will go further, passing minus 90, but how much further than minus 90 degree? So it will be somewhere over here. Minus 145 degree will be somewhere over here because it's not quite minus 180 degree. So question is, how far do we pass minus 90 degree to reach minus 145 degree? So you can subtract minus 145 minus 90, or the other way, minus 90 minus 145. You will end up with either 45, actually no, you'll end up with a 55 degree or minus 55 degree. So this difference is always positive. That will be 55 degree, which will make this to be 90 minus 55 is what? 90, so 35 degree. This will be 35 degree. So that measure all the way up to here, this measure all the here to here, we say that as minus 145 degree. So question will be something like this. Draw an angle with a measure of 210 degree in standard position. So that will be a question. So you're not going to have any of those available. So 210 degree plotted. That will be the question. So what you can do, start from 0 degree, positive, you gotta go counterclockwise. 90 degree here, more 180 degree here, more. That's a 270 degree. So 210 degrees, so you should know it should be somewhere between 180 degree and 270 degree. Okay, going all the way up to here, your question is, passing 180 degree, how much more angle do we go further to reach 210? So you do 210 minus 180, subtract these two. You'll get a 30 degree or minus 30 degree. Difference is always positive. So 30 degree here, all the way up to here, we say that as 210 degree. And that's how got this. If you ask to draw minus 45 degree, again, that's the problem, minus 45 degree. So starting from here, you will go to clockwise direction, that's a minus 90 degree, and you know it's not gonna be even there, so it's gonna be minus 45 is somewhere over here, and that's how you draw it. You should try this by yourself. You should try this by yourself. Next question, example 2. In a springboard diving competition, a diver made a 900 degree rotation before slicing into the water. Draw an angle in standard position that measures 900 degree. So one thing you can do, 900 degree. So you start with 900 degree. One thing you can do, you can subtract 360 degree as many times as you want. You are still pointing at exactly the same direction. So I'm gonna do minus 360, enter, so 540 degree, and I'm gonna subtract 360 one more time, to 180 degree. What does that mean? That means you're gonna make a complete circle twice, and you have to go 180 degree further. So 900 degree, you go all around once, one circle, that's a 360 degree. You go all around one more time, that's another 360 degree. Then you still have 180 to proceed. So from here you go 180 degree, that's gonna be 90 degree here, 180 degree here. So you go all the way up to 180 degree. That's how you graph 900 degree. Circle once, twice, and 180 degree more, and that's where your terminal is, right here. That's where your terminal is. So you should try this. Pause it, try it. Next question. Find an angle with a positive measure and an angle with a negative measure that are coterminal with 210 degree. What does that mean? So 210 degree, you are pointing it at, just to help you understand better, 0 degree, 90 degree, 180 degree, 270 degree. So 210 degree will be passing 180 degree all the way up to here by 30 degree. So 210 degree is right there. So that's the angle we are pointing at here. But you can go all around 180 degree, 360 degree counterclockwise, then go 210 degree. We are still pointing at exactly the same direction. What I'm trying to say here is 210 degrees exactly the same direction when you add 360 degree multiple times. Or you can subtract 360 degree multiple times. You're still pointing at exactly the same direction. So this question becomes fairly simple. They are asking you to find one angle positive, one angle negative, which is coterminal to 210 degree. So what you can do is you have 210, type it in, and you can add 360 as many times as you want. So it could be 570. I'm gonna add 360 one more time. It can be 930. You can add 360 one more time. It can be 1290. You get the idea. There will be infinitely many number of answers. 210 degree, enter. You could have subtract minus 360 degree. 내가 minus 150. You could have subtract 360 one more time. Minus 510 degree. You can subtract 360 again, minus 870. So there are endless number of answers available. What do they want? Just write down one positive, one negative. So they just added 360 once, positive coterminal angle. They subtract 360 once, they got minus 150 degree. So answer will be this. You might question, well, can I write down other angles than 570 as a positive? Yes. Can I write down other angle than minus 150 for negative? Yes. There will be a lot of different answers. So exactly the same question, but now you're starting with minus 120 degree. Nothing changes. You can add 360. So when you add 360 once, you got 240 degree. When you subtract 360 degree, you got minus 480 degree. This is a positive, this is a negative, so this pair makes good answers. Okay, just a side note. What if they ask you to find one coterminal positive, one coterminal negative, and let's say they give you minus 610 degree to start with? Okay, this question is not related to this question. So as you can see, minus 610, you can start with minus 610. You can add 360. Once, it is still minus. So don't get confused. When you add 360 once, there's a problem. It's not positive yet. You can add one more time. You can add as many times as 360 as you like. Now I got positive 110 degree. And I had minus 250. So this if question was find two coterminal angle, one is positive, one is negative, from minus 610 degree, your answer could be minus 250 degree and 110 degree. One is negative, one is positive. So someone might say, well, you kept adding 360, you did not subtract 360. You're right, but it doesn't matter what you do. As long as you get one positive, one negative coterminal angle, then you're correct. If someone might say, Minshong, can I subtract 360 degree from 610, which will make, we can try, minus 610 minus 360, you got minus 970. Can I write down minus 970 instead of minus 250? Yes. There will be a lot of different answers available. You should try this by yourself. Pause, try. You should try this by yourself. Pause, try. Next question is converting between degrees and radians. So, degrees. Many of you are very familiar with what degree means. So, that's 0 degree, that's 90 degree. What does that mean? If you have this 90 degree divided into 90 pieces, so I cannot possibly just cut that into 90 different pieces, that one of them will be 1 degree. You might say, what is 1 radian then? 1 radian would be, let's say there's a circle. Whatever the radius of that circle is, you follow the circle by that distance. So this is a radius, whatever the length of radius is, this is a radius. You go by radius from here. That angle, whatever that is, that angle, we call that as 1 radian. So 1 radian is this much angle. Even though this size of circle changes, that angle of radian will be exactly the same for every circle. So what you need to know is how to convert degree to radian versus how to convert radian to degree. So you are dealing with a 2-unit conversion. So converting from degree to radian, you are multiplying that degree available by this conversion factor, pi of 180 degree. To convert radian to degree, you are multiplying the radian value by this conversion factor, which is 180 degree over pi. So you have two choices: multiply by pi of 180 degree, multiply by 180 degree over pi, depending on where to where you are converting to. Write 30 degree in radian. Okay, so you might say, how do you know given information is degree or radian? Well, look at this symbol. That's a degree symbol, meaning this is degree. So if you see 30, is that degree or radian? It should be radian, because there's no degree symbol. That's radian, that's degree. Okay, so you know this is a degree and we are trying to convert to radian. So degree, you are trying to convert to radian, and you should know which one are we supposed to multiply by. Are we multiplying by this conversion factor or this conversion factor? You need to know that. So one way you can do is memorize it, or you can try both. 30 degree, you're starting with the 30 degree, you're multiplying by pi of 180 degree, that's one option, versus 30 degree, you're multiplying by 180 degree over pi. If you haven't memorized which one is the correct move, you can try both. Look at the unit. Degree times degree will make degree square as a unit. Degree square, I've never seen any unit like that. That's not what you want. If you look at this multiplication, 30 degree is the same as 30 degree over 1. Look at the unit. Degree on top, numerator, degree on denominator on the bottom. The degree symbol will cancel out. So degree as a unit disappears, meaning you will end up with 30 pi over 180. Degree disappeared, now unit is radian. So 30, 180, you can simplify by 30. It should be 1, 6, it should be 1 pi sixth or pi sixth. And you convert it to radian successfully. Okay, that will be part 1. You should keep watching part 2 after this.